engine lathe or metal lathe. How to choose. A standard engine lathe is a horizontal bench, floor-mounted machine with a geared headstock, feed-controlled carriage, tailstock for drilling as support, and tool posts for angled or single-point cutting. A metal lathe rotates a workpiece against stationary cutting tools, supporting diverse materials and operations, from basic tool posts to CNC turrets, including specialized variants like tool rooms, turret, and CNC lathes for precision or mass production. What are the differences between the engine lathe and metalworking lathe? One in terms of tools and operations. Engine lathe uses a single-station tool post. Operators manually change and align tools, offering full control but slower changeover. Metalworking lathe may feature multi-tool turrets, live tooling, or quick-change tool posts, allowing rapid tool changes. And multi-operation runs without manual swaps. 2 in application. Engine lathes ideal for prototypes, repairs, and short-run tasks where flexibility and customized setups are paramount. Metalworking lathes encompasses engine lathes, plus specialized machines tool rooms, turrets, CNC, that covers high precision, medium-high volume, and complex part geometry. 3 in terms of skills. Engine lathe demands skilled machinists adept at manual feeds, speed selection, and tool alignment. Metalworking lathe range from manual to fully CNC controlled. Less specialized skills needed on automated models, but higher programming and maintenance expertise required. If you don't know how to choose, you can contact us at WMTCNC. We will provide you with a solution based on your needs.